There's a number on your statement in a small box that says minimum payment due. You pay it. The account goes from red to current. The warning disappears. That's the whole trick. Not the number itself, but what it makes you feel the moment it clears. Because the balance right below it barely moved. Next month, same box, same feeling. The month after, same box again. You're paying. The debt isn't leaving anywhere near the speed the checkmark makes you feel. Nobody's hiding anything. The statement says exactly what it wants. That's not the problem. The problem is that one small affordable number can make a long, expensive payoff feel like nothing. You think of yourself as someone who's handling this, responsible, on top of it, paying every month like you're supposed to, but current and disappearing are not the same word, and your statement never tells you which one you're actually doing. Here's the real mechanism: minimum payment time expansion. The minimum keeps the account current while quietly stretching out how long you'll be paying and how much of that payment is just interest. So the real question was never, can I afford this payment? It's, how long does this exact payment keep the balance alive? Run the real numbers. $3,000 at 24% APR paid down at $90 a month. That's not a 10-month payoff. That's not even a 20-month payoff. That's 56 months and close to $2,000 in interest on a debt you could still be paying off in year 5. This isn't a legal rule or a lender rule. It's a diagnostic, a way to see what that comfortable monthly number is actually doing to your payoff time. Before you see this, the minimum looks like progress. After you see this, it looks like a very slow, very expensive way to stand still. The word scam feels right here, but it's not that anyone lied to you. It's math you were never shown next to the box you were told to fill in. You'll recognize the pattern. You pay every month and the balance barely changes. The payment's small enough that you stop noticing it. The account stays current, so the debt feels handled. The payoff date stays vague. You couldn't actually say when this ends. Interest keeps showing up even though you did everything the statement asked. That's not a discipline problem. That's a payoff design problem built into the box itself. Here's the fix, and it isn't pay more, try harder. First, name it, not at least I paid the minimum. This is minimum payment time expansion, and now you can see it. Second, stop trusting the visible number, minimum payment, current status, available credit, and start tracking the hidden ones. Payoff months, total interest, how much of your payment actually reduces principal. Third, run your own numbers, your balance, your APR, your real payment. Use disclosed assumptions where the future is unclear. Don't treat a guess like data. Fourth, protect the actual failure point. Principal barely moving, add anything above the minimum. Interest eating the payment, stop putting new charges on the card. Can't tell when this ends, calculate the months, not just the payment size. That's the real shift. Stop mistaking current for disappearing. The minimum keeps the account alive. Alive is not the same as leaving. Your money follows your behavior, but your behavior follows whichever number you've trained yourself to trust. So open your last statement, find that box, and ask it the one question it was never built to answer. At this payment, what year does this actually end? Tell me that number in the comments. And if you know someone who's been paying the minimum for years without asking that question, send them here first.